In personalized teaching learning approach, we focus on each student of class or a group of students in a class. So we follow different strategies for different types of different kinds of students in our class. We can consider it as a student centric teaching approach rather than teacher centric teaching approach. So in student centric teaching approach, the focus is on students rather than teachers. We follow the methods in which students are comfortable in learning the things rather than the way in which we are comfortable in the teaching process. So we need to understand in what ways students can learn quickly rather than the ways in which we are more comfortable. So in personalized teaching approach or in student centric approach, a teacher needs to just learn more things. Okay, so the training is required in this case. uh, One will have to differentiate these two categories in their class. If they want to follow the personalized teaching learning approach, they need to differentiate slow learners from fast learners. So they can have differentiated instructions and assessment for slow learners, and differentiate and the different instructions and assessment method for fast learners. So that each and every student in the class, they can have equal opportunity for learning, like as saw it in the case of flipped classroom also. Peer tutoring can help in this case. Like you can have a group of students in which you can have few students, few fast learners and few slow learners, and uh, you can just ask fast learners to interact with slow learners, and they can tutor them so that they can learn the thing. So peer tutoring helps uh, sometimes in case of personalized teaching learning approach. There are other approaches also for personalized learning approach. A teacher can devise their own mechanism for personalized teaching learning approach, but one should focus that each and every student gets attention and they get equal opportunity to learn the things. If we don't follow, if we go to our classroom and consider each and every student equally, we just lecture in our class. This is not exactly the personalized teaching learning approach. We need to understand the needs of different students, and devise a mechanism so that they can learn, can understand the concept.